So, if you want to fix your Night Owl camera if it's not recording events, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure the camera is actually detecting motion. Now, you want to open the Night Owl app and check the live view. Now, if the camera isn't detecting motion in the first place, it won't record. So walk in front of it to see if motion indicators show up on screen. Now, next is you want to turn on motion recording in the app. So in the Night Owl app, you want to go to settings, then go to camera, go to recording options, then go to motion. Make sure the motion recording is enabled. Now, if it's set to the off or continuous only, events won't be saved. And also, you may want to adjust motion sensitivity here. So sometimes the camera is detecting movement but not enough to trigger recording. Increase motion sensitivity or expand the motion detection zone. This usually fixes the camera that only records sometimes. Now, if you're using a DVR or NVR storage or an SD card for certain models, full storage stops new event clips. So delete all recordings or turn on auto override so new clips replace old ones. And also make sure your camera is connected to the network. So if the camera drops offline, it can't upload or save events. So restart your Wi-Fi router, or for wired system, check the Ethernet cable connections. Now once the camera reconnects, event recording usually resumes. Now, next thing you want to restart the camera and the NVR or DVR. So unplug the camera or its power source here for about 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Also reboot the Night Owl NVR or DVR. This refreshes the recording system and clears stuck recording processes. And finally, you may want to update firmware and reset the camera if nothing helps. The outdated firmware can cause recording bugs, so you want to go to the Night Owl app, go to device settings, then go to firmware update. Now, if the camera is still not recording, hold the reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds to restore default settings. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.